Hey Lloyd, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening the video. This is Lucas, and this is the video I was telling you about of three little things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating Miramar Kitchen and Bath and Lars Remodel. As you see, these guys, when you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, are the ones that show at the very top of Google here and here. And you could be there really easily by just implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I even made this video for you, and it's because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their clients, so it's hard for them to make some time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business. And when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I like to make these educational videos for business owners that I send them to them for free so they can have all this information. And after, they can take it and put it in action themselves, or sometimes they call me and they have me do it for them. Regardless of the option, it's all good with me. I do this for passion. But if you like what you see in the video and you feel like you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call or send me an email and I will definitely help you. That said, let's jump with the video. First of all, I gotta say that I love your website. You have really good pictures and a lot of calls to action, which is great in order to make people stay longer on your website. But today I'm gonna tell you about the three things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website at the very top that you can implement. I'm going to tell you about content, backlinks, and citations. As you can probably imagine already, content is everything that is on your front page. All the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. As you see, when I paste it on the word counter, you have about 500 words of content. Usually, Google likes to see about 2,000 words of content with a lot of keywords on the homepage, okay? As you see, Lars Remodel have a lot of content, a lot of words, and a lot of pictures. And as you see, they have about 1,500 words. As I said, Google usually likes to see about 2,000 on the website they rank at the very top. As you see here, Miramar Kitchen and Bath also has a lot of content, a lot of pictures, and a lot of text. So you don't want any content, just you want keyword-rich content, all right? So you need to define what are the keywords or the terms that people are looking up the most regarding the services that you provide, and drop them several times throughout that content. So when people look it up, Google can find your website and show it to them. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks, okay? A backlink is basically your website address listed in a different website. That way, when somebody clicks in it, it takes them back over here. This works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. That means that you can get a backlink for any kind of website. But it's not the same that a website that talks about fashion or about food gives you a backlink that what they want to see is basically a website that isn't your same niche. So you always want to go after those backlinks from from other remodeling companies or construction companies, because those are the ones that give you the real strength and power on the eyes of Google in order with the content to rank all the way up here and secure in that spot. How you find backlinks? We use a tool called Ahrefs. You have a lot of them over there, but we found that this one is one of the best. Here, as you see, when I put your website, I see that you have already 40 referring domains. This means that there's 40 websites out there, and when you click, there's somewhere in the website, they have a link that when you click, it takes you back over here. As you see, your competitor, Last Remodel, has 74, and Miramar Kitchen and Bath 38. How come these guys have less but but they're higher? Because as I said, not all backlinks give you the same power. So the backlinks of these guys are really powerful. So how can you beat them? The easiest way, you copy them. If these backlinks are good for them, they're good for you, okay? So you go through every single one of these websites and through every single one of these ones, and you just make a profile and drop a link to your website on that profile. That way, you will be matching them, and then you add some more on top in order to beat them, in order to secure that first spot over here. Last thing I want to tell you about is citations. That is basically what it gets you here, and it's something that you can do completely for free. A citation is basically your business address, your business information, listed in several directories throughout the web. Directories like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages and White Pages, Angie's List, etc. All right. So all you need to do, as you can probably imagine already, is have more citations than your competition. And all you need to do, I would say, is copy them, because as I said before, if they're good for them, they're good for you. And then add at least another 100, okay? If they have 150, I would probably go for like 300 citations. Yeah, that's it pretty much. Here on the ads, if you want to be on the top, you just need to outbid your competition, and that's it. Let's make a little recap. 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. Then build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying your competition. And then build at least 100 more citations than your top competitor. With all these three things, you'll be securing the first spots here and here in no time and getting all that extra business that comes with it. And my recommendation, if you're interested in doing this, is get started as soon as possible, since implementing everything takes a little bit of time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone will be blowing up. If you like the video and you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call or send me an email and we can talk. But if you want to take all this information and put it in action yourself, perfect, do it as soon as possible. Last thing, if you don't mind, I would really appreciate if you can give me a little bit of feedback on this video, since I make these things for free and the feedback really means a lot for me. Thank you and have a good day.